Hi, in this video, I want to share with you my method to determining what sort of keywords or key phrases I should use when I create my product name, product titles, my content on social media, or anything else. So that tool, I'll head onto my screen now, is none other than Google Trends. So if you've ever had trouble trying to figure out, should I use the words email marketing platform or should I use email marketing services when creating your content? Well, simply do a quick search. I'm going to search for email marketing service, and that basically gives me the trend for United States past 12 months. But what you want to do is compare between the other search terms. So email marketing, platforms. Now I can see which keywords I should use instead of the other. So in this case, I actually should be using email marketing service versus email marketing platform. So from here, now when I create my YouTube videos, I can say email marketing service versus email marketing platform. Now, this isn't the be-all, end-all of keyword research. Of course, there are other ways by using, let's say, the Google Keyword Planner. And also, if you are trying to discover new keywords or trying to research on the demand of certain keywords for your YouTube videos, then I would recommend tools such as TubeBuddy or vidIQ, or there's also Morning.fame. So I'll link up any of these resources in the description below this video. But that's essentially how I use Google Trends to determine which out of the two I should be using in my content. If you got value from this quick little tip, hit that like button below. Also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to watch these next relevant videos coming up.